Episode 408, Claude for Marketing, the rise of domain-specific AI agents.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Claude for Marketing is one of the clearest signals yet that AI is moving beyond general purpose chat into specialised domain expert systems. Hello, and you're very welcome back to AI6. We are well past 400 episodes of this podcast, and I'm so glad that you join me. If you're just new and you've just discovered AI6, there's a whole back catalogue, and I'm on a mission to upskill 500,000 people for free in artificial intelligence. So, my friends, if you've been with me since the beginning, you will have seen how fast AI is evolving. And today's episode is another example of that. So, Claude for Marketing is a tailored version of Anthropic's Claude model, designed specifically for marketing workflows. So, instead of starting from a blank slate and just using chat, it's pre-optimized for tasks like campaign strategy, audience segmentation, content generation, performance analytics, and brand strategy. Think of it less as a chatbot and more as a marketing co-pilot that understands context, constraints, and the business of marketing. It combines a few key elements, so it is domain trained, and the prompts are tuned for marketing use cases. It integrates with common marketing data sources and workflows. It has the ability to generate, analyze, and iterate on campaigns end to end. And it's got built-in awareness of tone, brand consistency, and audience targeting. If you're a marketer listening to this, then this is perhaps music to your ears, or maybe some of you are feeling a little bit threatened. So instead of us going into a general AI model and asking, write me an ad for radio to promote an electric vehicle, open day, you're working with something that already understands the stages of a funnel, from awareness to advocacy. It understands conversion metrics, and it understands the different tactics that we would deploy on different marketing channels. They've also included a video on their website to show you how it works in practice, and I've linked this in the show notes. But a simple example for listeners, you could feed it performance data from a recent marketing campaign, and it could suggest optimized alternatives, explain why certain segments underperformed, and generate new creatives tailored to those insights. So how could you start using Claude for Marketing? Well, embedded into your existing tools, your social media management tool, your CRM systems, your email marketing platform, ad managers. Claude becomes the intelligence layer within tools you already use. Then, API-driven workflows. Marketing teams can plug Claude into their pipelines, automating content generation, A/B testing, reporting, so it becomes a part of existing workflows. And then you can set up agents. So this is where it gets more interesting. Claude can act as part of a broader system of agents and, of course, your team, and works on different parts of the marketing lifecycle. So essentially, agents are additional team members completing tasks across all of your marketing operating system to achieve specific goals. So, for example, one agent could handle audience research, another on content creation, another on performance analysis, but it's all coordinated and it's all specific to your campaign. Yes, this is further evidence that agentic AI is mainstream. Up until now, most people are just using AI like a chatbot. You ask, it responds. And so we're moving from tools to actual AI teammates. Workflows become continuous, they're not prompt-based. And then expertise gets embedded into systems, not just in the brains of the people. I know While it's very exciting, and especially, small teams, small business owners will welcome this technology with both hands, but there may be others who are quite worried about their future careers. All I can say is we have to embrace it, and those of us that have the competency, the literacy and the fluency will be able to survive and thrive in the AI age. Something I should mention before I wrap up, governance is very important. As Claude for Marketing and other similar systems get embedded into our organisations, into our businesses, you've got to define clear boundaries of what information these integrations can access and also how we deploy them when we are introducing agentic AI, because we know it can think and act on its own. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategy, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organisation. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie. Or if you work in government or public sector, go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.